Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Coinmarketcap to Cash App. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you transfer funds or money from Coinmarketcap to Cash App? Well, the first thing that we need to do here is we first have to discuss what these two platforms are. Now, we all know that Cash App is an application wherein we could basically link our cards, and from there, we'll be able to spend or basically use it as a means of a digital wallet wherein we'll be able to easily send money to other users as well, or use it for other purposes as well. Now, the Coinmarketcap here is more like a Bible or a dictionary for the cryptocurrencies that we have right now. So as you can see, this is the website for Coinmarketcap. So we first have to address, can you make transactions or can you make transfers via Coinmarketcap? Well, the direct and simple answer is that currently Coinmarketcap does not support those features. So Coinmarketcap, as I said before, is just a way for you to view the current prices in Coinmarketcap as well as track your transactions. So usually at the top right of your screen here, you should be able to see your user. And when we go to portfolio here, we should be able to see our current portfolio. As you can see, this is just the amount that I added here, which in this case, I just added a transaction. So depending on how you add it, for example, I add a transaction here, I could choose whatever coin here, or cryptocurrency, and from there, I'll be able to add a certain amount here. Now, in this case, this is just for tracking purposes, and these are not actual funds. So meaning CoinMarketCap does not actually contain actual money or actual value on it. It's more about information or knowing on what is your current standing, what is the current standing of those specific cryptocurrency. But yeah, so we want to fight misinformation this one, so it's not actually possible for us to basically make transfers from CoinMarketCap into Cash App. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.